Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back once again to this channel. And in this video I'll be showing you how you'll be able to edit a picture like this, how you'll be able to manipulate and make a nice picture of your design, just like this one. You can see that comparing these two pictures, you see that this one looks more, the first one here looks more brighter and more neater, even more attractive than this one. This is as a result of the edit I did with it. And the most interesting part is that this edit is something you can do using just your Pixellab. You don't need to install any other additional app. You don't need to install something like a Pixart or thereabouts. And the one thing about most of these apps is that they are really paid version. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can be able to make a picture edit that looks like this. So if you haven't subscribed, if you're a regular visitor, you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Welcome back once again, and don't forget to share this video, like this video, also comment on the comment section how useful this video is to you. I'll be expecting your comments in the comment section. So at this point, this is how I did this. So let me delete this particular one. I'll be deleting this, and this is the original picture that I downloaded for my files. So what I'm going to do is I'll have to, there is a feature in this Pixellab that is known as this color filters. You can get it in this middle part. So you just go to your color filters at this point, then you use this particular thing to edit it at this point. So let me assume maybe you want to change the color of the skin. For example, you want to change the color of the skin, you can use this hue particular one. You see that the color of the skin is changing from blue to green to any color like this. So you can actually use this particular thing. Maybe you want to design a party flyer and you want the skin color to rhyme with the background. I'll be making more video concerning this and the type of flyers you can use these things to design. Now another one here is we have this brightness on. Maybe you want it to be too bright or you want it to be too dark. You can use this brightness to adjust it like this, to and fro, and to be adjusting on its own. Then another one is this contrast like this. Maybe you want the light to be too much, or you want the picture to, you can see that the picture has been changing all this while. So currently I've been using this Pixart to edit pictures, but at this point you can use this Pixellab to do everything you want to do, submit your designs and thereabouts. All right, good. Then the last one I will be talking about here, obviously the one you just saw on the thumbnail, is about this particular one. But before then, I'll have to adjust this to their normal position so it won't interfere with the last edit I want to do here. So I can just adjust this contrast to 0 where it was. Then this hue, I'll just make it to be at 0 where it was, like this. Good. So how to do that particular one is you have to use this saturation. All right, so moving this saturation back like this, you make the picture to appear dark, very dark like this, but increasing the saturation for above 0 like this, you make the picture to appear something like this. So you can be using something like 60, you can be using maybe like 65, you can be using like 70, depending on your choice and depending on how bright and how neat you want the design to be. This type of saturation, you can actually use it for maybe product flyer designs, or you can use it for birthday flyers too. Maybe you're designing a birthday flyer and the picture to be used on that flyer is not as bright as this, like this. Maybe it was something like this before, so you can just use this to edit it directly in Pixellab instead of installing an external app. It can also be easier for you and save more space in your phone. All right, so this is how I was able to do that beautiful edit You can put it at 70. I prefer to put it at 70 so it won't be too much and it won't be too little too. So this is how everything was done. And at this point, if I want to save this design, I will have to make this background to be transparent, meaning that I can just go to this. So I'll have to change the background of this to transparent. In this way, after saving it, I'll be able to import it and add it as any layer without the background. So I can just save this as image, and I'll be saving with png, and it's saved to my gallery. So thank you once again for being on this channel. Thank you once again for watching this video up to this point. If this video is useful to you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video too. Also share your comments on the comment section about any edits, any Pixellab edits you've done before, or about how useful this video is to you. I'll be expecting that. Thank you once again, and don't forget to get in touch. I'll be expecting you in my next video.